Let's make some homemade cough syrup that everybody needs in their medicine cabinet. All you need is some raw unfiltered honey, a bunch of fresh garlic, and a clean jar. This honey fermented garlic has been used for centuries to heal colds, coughs, sore throats, and more. You just peel your garlic and place into a jar and cover with honey. Burp your jar every day to release any gas as it ferments. Take 1 clove a day at the onset of a sickness or a teaspoon of the honey for general immune support. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antimicrobial properties that can help prevent or cure infections. It's an incredibly potent cold and flu fighter. It takes 4 to 6 weeks to ferment, so make sure you get it made up now in time for flu season.